And if you can see me, do how to drop a message too. All right. I think today is going to be very educative, and I would want us to be calm and be rest assured that you're going to learn a lot tonight. As a matter of fact, I want to share with us the most profiting strategies in this trading. And as a matter of fact, I'm not going to be, you know, talking about much definitions. I just want to go straight to the points and show us how you can start making money in cryptocurrency. Yes. So, but we would have to wait a bit more, say 2-3 minutes. Okay. Timothy, I see you. Welcome. Kindly tell us where you're watching from. Please, that would be nice. Tell us where you are watching from, and would wait for others to join very quickly. So, like I said, it is going to be intensive tonight, and I really don't want to waste our time on this session. I want us to, quickly run through these necessities, things you need to do in order for you to be a profitable trader. How do you make money through cryptocurrency? And this is going to be straight to the point. Okay. Timothy watching from Makodi. All right, you're welcome. Greetings to you. Simeon, nothing is happening. I believe that was when I was trying to get this mic fixed. Right now, I believe you can hear me. If you can hear me, can you just signify? Also, if you can see me, it would be nice if you say that too. Let's be sure everything is fine before I start proper tonight. Okay. Let me check this. All right. Prosper. Okay. Prosper from Abuja, you're welcome. And okay. I can see and hear you. All right, that's nice. It means we are good to go. So right away, we're going to be starting this session, and like I said, I will not be taking much of our time. I just want to go straight to the point and show us, things we need to know, even as a beginner and as an advanced trader. Okay. Number one, I'm going to be jumping the definitions. I don't want to bore us with what is cryptocurrency and what is a wallet, all those stuff. You can learn them, learn them after you start making money. We'll just go straight to how you can make money and the necessary things you need to do to start making money in this crypto space. As you join, I want you to drop a comment and let us know where you are watching from. Okay. Right away, we would just have to start because we don't have much time. I don't intend to keep us here more than 40 minutes, max 45 minutes will be done. Right. So we will not need to wait for a long time before starting. By the way, I think we should still, this is 10 minutes past 8. Okay. Prosper, Timothy, Simeon, I believe your day went well. It's really been a hot season here, and God, it's really hot in Abuja. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about tonight is how, when, and where to buy cryptocurrency. how, where, and when to buy cryptocurrency. Solomon Bartholomew from Abuja, you're welcome. Many persons know how to, do few of these things, but it is very difficult to tell when to buy cryptocurrency or where to buy cryptocurrency. Trust me, there is a way to buy cryptocurrency. Yes, if you don't get it right, you will definitely miss out. And this is one of the things I want to correct tonight. It is not enough that you have an idea about all these things. There are also some basic rules. The number one thing is for you to understand the essence of this trading. The number one principle of trading is for you to make money. So whatever you're going to be doing, you want to make sure you're making money at the end of the day. And if you're not making money in cryptocurrency, it means there is something you're not getting right. Okay? So either you just want to do one or do two, do three things, four, or do everything that comes your way, whichever you're doing at any point, you are correct, because the goal is to make money. Okay? And that is why I'm here tonight to teach us all of this. So we'll go straight away. How, when, and where to buy cryptocurrency. The number one question here is how. How do you buy cryptocurrency? If you are already familiar with this process, then you will just have to bear with us, as I'm going to be sharing very quickly with those who do not understand how to do all of that. How do I buy cryptocurrency? When do I buy cryptocurrency? And where do I buy cryptocurrency? Now, you buy cryptocurrency either by using another cryptocurrency or by using your fiat, your local currency, your naira, and that is quite simple. So I'm going to share my screen right away so that we will get into it. Okay. If you can see my screen, say something in the comment section, please. If you can see my screen right now, drop a message. Simeon says he can't see anything. Wow. I can't hear anything as well. Okay. Shanami from Kano, you're welcome. Who else cannot see me, please? Let's get this fixed. Okay, Timothy said he can see me and he can see what is on the screen. Matthias from Ayangba, you're welcome. Simeon, can you try exiting the live stream and joining again if you cannot see me? Because I believe you're the only one who is not seeing me right now. Okay, so if we can see this screen, okay, I can see, but very blurry. Is that right? Who else is having same issue? Is it very blurry with you? Okay, hold on, let me try to it is already here. Same here, very blurry. Okay, give me a minute. Let me try to fix that. Okay, so let's see. Can I get your feedback now? If you can see me, how is the resolution right now? Is it better? Is it still blurry? Very quickly, let's respond to that so that we don't. Aboje King is here. You're welcome. Abojo, where are you joining us from? John from Kogi, you're welcome. Okay, still blurry. Let me try to check that on one of my devices here. It is blurry actually. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Well, I think it is better on my side. Simeon here in Abuja. All right, you're welcome. It's better here. Can somebody confirm that? If it is better for you right now. Can I get a response, please? It's clear here. Ojo Chenemi. Okay, thank you. So I think we're done with that. I will just go ahead to share my screen so we don't waste time. Okay, so this is it. I believe we can see my screen. I believe we can see where I am at right now. Okay. So how to buy cryptocurrency is what I'm going to be starting with. For those of us that are just joining us, I said I'm going to be starting with how to and where to, when to. Instead of giving you definitions, I want you to go and learn how to learn to understand some of these definitions yourself, like what is cryptocurrency, what is wallet, what does it mean to be a trader, and all that. So it is something you can do on your own. So very quickly, let's run through how you can, get cryptocurrency. Number one, you can buy cryptocurrency from exchanges, and you can do that with cryptocurrency. You convert one cryptocurrency to another. That's a form of buying. You can use your naira to buy. You can use your fiat or your local currency to buy cryptocurrency. That is simply how you can get cryptocurrency. Now, where to buy? You can get cryptocurrencies from different exchanges. Right about now, we have so many exchanges, and the number one among all of them is Binance. I believe some of us know that already. We have so many exchanges, 250 listings in cryptocurrency exchanges available here. And I'm just going to show us a few of them so that you know which one to trust. You don't just start buying from random exchange. You can fall victim of scam. So the number one is Binance. Binance is the most trusted and very popular exchange, which I use very well. Okay, we have the OKX, we have the Coinbase, we have the Gates.io, sorry, we have CoinDCX, which is also a nice one. We have Zengo wallets. You can see them, the crypto.com, Kraken, and this is the calculator actually, not an exchange. KuCoin, Nice hash. No. Poloniex is also nice. And you can use any of these because of the ratings. You know, any of this is fine. So let's use Binance so I can show us how you can quickly get. I think I have my Binance here. All right. For those of us who do not know how to buy from exchange, that's what I want to show us. And I intend to use not more than 10 minutes for this. Like I said before, this meeting is not supposed to be more than 45 minutes. So I'm going to run through to give us the best information that is required. Mind you, you want to watch to the end of this session because there are things I'm going to share with us that you will need, to run with. Tomorrow is going to be more intense, and the final day, which is on Sunday evening, is also going to be a fire pack. So you wouldn't want to miss. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you're here, why not do that very quickly so that we become friends? I know we are friends, but we'll become closer after that. So subscribe to my channel now as we continue. The number one way you can buy cryptocurrency is from your fiat to cryptocurrency. And you do that in Nigeria through P2P. If you want to get your P2P, if you want to get to where you can see P2P on your mobile device, you go to Binance, you go to Wallet. But right here, when I go to buy crypto, I would see P2P. So on your mobile device, when you go to Wallet, you would see P2P, or you would go to the funding. Under the funding, you will see the P2P. This is it, P2P. You would see buy here, you would see sell. And here are the available merchants who wants to sell their assets. Okay, you can buy USDT directly, you can buy Bitcoin directly, you can buy BUSD, you can buy BNB, Ethereum, you can buy Naira directly. What it means is that you are going to be sending your Naira to this person, and the person is going to give you the Naira currency. Okay, this is Solana and the rest of them. But I usually prefer buying USDT, and what you need to do is click on USDT. You scroll down to look for the merchants you want to patronize. This to sell, okay, wants to sell 73,900 to 74,125. Okay, so if you want to patronize, let's click on buy. The completion rate here tells you how fast this person is in executing orders. Okay, so you also want to check for the completion rate so that you don't get stuck with a particular trader. Most times, if the completion rate is not more than 90, I don't patronize that person. Here is the rate in Naira, 742 Naira per dollar. All right. If you are trading outside Nigeria and you want to change the currency, you can go to fiat. Under fiat, you can change to whatever country you want to, whatever country currency you want to use. But for now, I'm going to be using Naira as an example. So the number 2 trader here is called Mr. White, and this person has done a total order of 133. The completion rate is 7.97, sorry, 97.10 cents. The rate is 743.25. And this is how much this person is selling. The limits means the least he wants to sell and the highest he wants to sell. So if you want to buy above 100,000, you cannot patronize these two persons because they don't have 100,000 naira to sell. What this person has is 4,000 to 15,000. The number 3 here has or wants to sell 600,000 to 1 million naira. So if you want to buy below 600,000, you can't patronize this person. And if you want to buy more than 1 million naira, you can't patronize this person. Okay, this is the rates as usual. And this is the total order, 47 orders, completion rate 100%, which is nice. It means this person will not delay your time. So if you want to buy anything here, you just click on buy by the right corner or wherever you see the right, the buy option. If you're using your mobile phone, you will definitely see it below your screen. Okay, so let's say I want to patronize this person and I want to buy 600,000 naira worth. Okay, the maximum order is now, so it means somebody already bought from him, and what he has left is not up to. So let's just cancel and look for somebody else. Let me try this first person just to show us how it works. Buy, and I'm going to say I want 10,000 naira. Minimum I can buy here is 73. Okay, let's say I want to buy odd. Why are you giving me? Sorry, let's refresh this. I want to buy 10,000 naira. Search for the amounts I am buying. Okay, so buy. I want 10,000 naira. I'll just write it here. So the equivalence in USDT is 13.44. That is the dollar that I'm going to get. Okay, so when you click on buy, what Binance does is he places the transaction for you and gives you this person's account number for you to pay to. Once you pay to this account, you come back here and say, I have paid, transferred. So you notify the seller. Once you notify the seller, Binance is going to, send a message to the seller, and the person would confirm the transaction as soon as he or she gets the alert. So it is simple and it is safe. Binance here is going to be an intermediate between the both of you. All right. That way, this person cannot, run with your money. All this process is because Nigeria right now has not legalized trading cryptocurrency. So we cannot buy cryptocurrency with your card. For those of us who might want to do that. So the way you buy cryptocurrency right now is through P2P, which is peer-to-peer. Okay. Say I want to pay this person, I will just have to copy the account number here, and the bank name is OPay. When I send the money, I come here and I say it is done. As soon as this person receives the alert, they are going to release this to you, and it comes to your wallet immediately. So let's cancel this. I don't want to trade anymore, so that we don't keep him waiting. Same thing goes to when you want to sell. When you want to sell your assets, let's go back to P2P. Yeah. So when you want to sell your assets, you go to sell. This is sell. And the process is the same. Just that here you would have to deposit what you want to sell, either your USDT or BTC, in your funding wallets. And when you do that, you want to click on, sorry, this is refreshing. You would want to click on the sell. Okay, then you look for a merchant or a trader who is ready to buy what you have to sell. Okay, now this first person, Emperor, has done a total trade or total order of 57, completion rate 93. This is the rate he's going to be buying from you, and this is how much he wants to buy, from 4,000 to 10,000. So if you want to sell within this range, you can just click on sell, and the person will pay into your account. That way, the bank is not notified. They don't know what is going on. They just know that you receive and you send money. No crypto-related words, because when you transact on Binance with crypto-related description, they are going to block your accounts, because when you notify the bank that you're trading cryptocurrency, there's going to be a problem. Okay, so this is how to quickly buy, from your Naira to cryptocurrency. Now, let's say you buy USDT and you want to use this USDT to buy another cryptocurrency like the BTC or whichever one you want to buy. You go to your trade. This is in Binance. You will see trade. If you're using mobile phone, you will see home, market, trade, futures, and wallets below your screen. Okay, don't be carried away with the interface on my PC. So you would see, if you go to trade, you would see buy and sell. This place, what this place do for you is help you use one cryptocurrency to buy the other. Let's say somebody asks you to buy Bitcoin on Binance or anywhere. Somebody just tells you buy Bitcoin, and because you don't want to buy Bitcoin directly with your Naira, you would have to buy USDT, which is US dollar Theta. Then you come to Binance, you come to trading and use that US dollar Theta to buy Bitcoin. All right. The pair we are going to trade here is Bitcoin / USDT, which means you're converting your USDT to Bitcoin. And when you do that, this is the price. This price is the current price, which is running here. You can see. So you would want these two to tally before you place your transaction. And how much do you want to, how much BTC do you want to buy? You might want to put the USDT price. Let's say you want to buy $100. You want to use $100 to buy Bitcoin. So you put the $100 here, and it shows you the equivalence in BTC, which is 0.00500. Okay. As soon as you click on buy, it is going to execute your order for you. And when you check your wallet, you will see that you already have Bitcoin. Okay. One way to also buy from this place is change from this limit to market. What the market order does is it takes out what you have here so that you don't need to bother yourself putting the current price. This is the spot price or the current price. You don't need to, put that in. Just go ahead and put your amount. Okay, and when you click on buy, it is going to execute the order for you instantly. Okay, at what price or whatever price is showing here. So that is how to buy. If you want to sell as well, you want to sell your Bitcoin, you can go to sell, and you can also use the limit order or the market order. Market order, like I said, helps you execute trade instantly. All right. So that is that about buying and selling of cryptocurrency. You put the amount here and you sell. Now, before I answer when to buy, let me talk about where to buy. Are you still with me? Okay. If you're with me, can you say yes, I am with you in the comment section? Let me know. Okay. Well, I know some of you are already looking too much. Don't mind what you saw there. Just focus on okay. All right, so let me tell us something very important. Some of us already know how to buy cryptocurrency, but sometimes it is difficult to buy a certain kind of cryptocurrency because they are not on exchanges, and we don't know where to buy them, especially if we don't find them on Binance or the exchange we are familiar with. So what to do at that moment is look for where you can easily get this cryptocurrency without, hold on, let me, okay, where you can easily get this cryptocurrency without stressing yourself. And that is why I want to show us simple steps to know where to buy cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrency at all. Let's say somebody asks you to buy Floki token, or I tell you, I come online, this particular day, and I say, everybody go and buy Floki token. How do you buy Floki token? When you check on Binance, you're not going to see Floki token. So where do you buy Floki token? That is what I want to show us. First of all, you come to CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap. It's like a general market for cryptocurrency. You can, load it on your browser, coinmarketcap.com. When you do that, it will take you to this page. This is a place where all cryptocurrency, are registered. And if you're looking for a particular asset or a cryptocurrency, the first place you want to come and look for it is on CoinMarketCap. And how do you look for that? First of all, when you load CoinMarketCap on your browser, you want to search for the particular cryptocurrency. You see the search option here. So let's look for Floki token, right? You see it here, Floki. So when you open it, remember what we're looking for here is where to buy. Where to buy. Okay, so where do I buy this cryptocurrency? Right now, you can see all the information about this particular coin is really, really cheap right now. It is a new coin. Okay, this is how much it is trading at. And if you want to go to the websites and other information, you can. But where do I buy it? I don't need much information about this coin. Somebody already told me to buy it. So where do I buy it? What I need to do is go to the market. You see, after overview, you see markets, you see historical data, you see news. And so when you click on markets, it is going to show you the platforms that have this cryptocurrency. So KuCoin is an exchange I showed us earlier. KuCoin has this Flocky token. So you can go and buy from KuCoin. You can buy from Uniswap. You can buy, this is also KuCoin. The coin pair is different. You can buy from PancakeSwap. You can buy from Gates.io, from OKX. You can buy from Bybit. So there are lots of exchange that has this cryptocurrency at the moment. So you can get this cryptocurrency from all these places. Okay, that is simply where to buy cryptocurrency. If you are looking for where to buy a particular cryptocurrency and you don't know where to buy or where to get that cryptocurrency, like I said, you come to CoinMarketCap, you search for the cryptocurrency, and then you would see the available, exchange that the coin is on. Now, as you can see, there is no Binance here. There is no Binance on this market. So you can't get this on Binance. If you check Binance, you will not see this cryptocurrency, except you go to any of these exchanges. But there is PancakeSwap. So I'm also going to be showing us, Now, let me quickly answer when to buy. If you are told to buy a cryptocurrency, you need to know if it is the right time to buy that particular asset. And how do you tell if it is the right time to enter or to buy that asset? I'm still going to use Flocky as an example. Remember, I am not telling you to buy this asset. I am just using it for my tutorial. Okay. You would want to check the overview when you get to the CoinMarketCap space. Check the overview to know when am I going to buy this cryptocurrency. It is very, very important. There are several ways to check out for this, but this is one way to know when to buy. First of all, you want to see how it has performed in the past 7 days or 1 month or 24 hours, as the case may be, to tell you whether or not it is going to do well when you buy it. Okay, this is the charts right now, and this is for 1 day. If you want to buy this coin at this moment, you see that it has moved from this point all the way up here. Okay, this has been the peak for almost a month now. This has been the peak. And right now, when you see that this coin is already trending at a very high price, it is not safe for you to buy. It is not time for you to buy. No matter how hungry you are, no matter how quick you want to make money, when you are told to buy any cryptocurrency, the first thing you want to come and check is how has this performed in the past few days. Let's check 7 days. Now, if you check the 7 days time frame, you will see it fell from this point, and came so deep. And now this is about a little retracement. So this will also tell you how long you're going to hold this cryptocurrency. If you need money quickly or you need an urgent money, you cannot buy this asset and say, I am going to sell in the next 24 hours. Because like I showed you, in the 24 hours, it is already trending, up. This looks like an uptrend, which is almost going to fall. But in 7 days, you can see there is still hope, because in 1 week from now or 2 weeks, it is possible that we might hit any of this resistance level or here, or possibly go up. So this tells you, if I am buying here, this is where I'm going to sell. This is how long I'm going to keep this asset. If I check 1 month, the performance of this coin in 1 month, you would also see that, okay, we have been trending downward for months now, and this has been the lowest for some time. The last time we checked here was okay, I think on 15th of February. Okay, and right now we are up here. So if you want to buy this right now using the 1 month time frame, you know you're going to hold longer, okay, to get here. Now, this is one way to explain, when to buy cryptocurrency. I'm still going to show us other ways, and that would explain when to buy cryptocurrency. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about very quickly is okay, how you can make money in cryptocurrency. Yeah, how you can make money in cryptocurrency. I don't want to keep us waiting for long, so let me quickly show us how you can make money. Yes, it's going to be very fast. I believe some of us are already, wondering how this is going to benefit you right now, but trust me, I have something cool for us. Now, how to make money in cryptocurrency? There are various ways you can make money in cryptocurrency. I believe you know that. You can do trading and make money. You can do the stakings, investments. There are so many ways to. You can even create your own token. And I am going to be showing us all of this, including how you can do your own cryptocurrency with $10. Yes, you can create your cryptocurrency simply and begin to market them and make money. It is one way to make money in cryptocurrency. But before that, let's quickly talk about how you can make money with the arbitrage. Arbitrage is a form of trading that helps you take advantage of these exchanges. Remember, I showed us different exchanges, like the Binance and all of them here, all the guys you see here. Most times or sometimes you will see that the price of Bitcoin on Binance is not exactly the same with what you have on Coinbase. Okay, and when you see that, you can take advantage of this. This is what is referred to as arbitrage. Yeah, that is simply arbitrage. So if you want to do arbitrage, the first thing you would check out for is which platform is selling higher, which one is selling lower. This asset is how much here, how much is it here. You cross-check that. And to help us, identify which platform it is going to be selling cheaper or which particular cryptocurrency to buy at the time, I will still refer us to CoinMarketCap. Okay, we're going to be using CoinMarketCap a lot today. Okay, so if you want to do arbitrage, you first of all want to come to CoinMarketCap to check which currency you want to trade on. And right now, you can see CoinMarketCap written boldly here. You can see cryptocurrency, you can see exchanges, you can see community products learn. Now, I will go to the cryptocurrency, and then under the cryptocurrency, I'll just look for the gainers and losers. This is one way to check for cryptocurrencies, okay? But if you don't want to do it this way, like you have an asset in mind you want to check out for, I will show you how to do that as well. Okay, so if you are here, you will see different assets. These are the gainers, top. Okay, these are the top losers. Top losers here. Where are my gainers? Let's scroll down and look for. Okay. Okay, these are the gainers. Yes, these are the gainers. These are the top losers. Okay, so you see in 24 hours, this coin has done this percent, and this one has done this percent, like that. So it is ranked based on how well they've done in the market. And these are the losers. This guy, HT, Hobby Token, and CFX has done badly or has dumped massively in the past 24 hours. You can change this. You can change the time frame, to either 1 hour or 7 days. And you can say top 100 or top 500, whichever you want to check out for. Okay, so here you can see that this RSK has fell 40% in 7 days. Okay, and let's check how you can use them on arbitrage, or let me go back. Sorry. Let me go back to my Flocky. We're going to be using Flocky for many things today. We just search for Flocky. Let's say I want to check for the possible platforms that I can, buy Flocky and do arbitrage with Flocky. I showed us how to check for the exchanges that this coin is on. So I will go to markets to check all those exchanges. Now on KuCoin, this is how much Flocky is being sold right now. 0.00032. Okay, the confidence for this platform is said to be high, and the liquidity score is 421. Liquidity score tells you, gives an idea about how much of trust you can give. Apart from this confidence, liquidity helps tell how you can buy or sell, how easy you can, buy or sell an assets on a particular exchange. So if the liquidity score is not high, it means this token does not have much sellable or buyable assets, as a collateral kind of on this exchange. So you want to check out for the confidence for the exchange and the liquidity score for this token on that exchange. Those are the two major important things you should check out for, because trust me, you can buy from a particular exchange and you will not be able to sell. Yes, it is going to be a problem on your side when you're not able to sell your assets after buying them. So this is how much it is trading on KuCoin. On Uniswap, this is how much it is trading, 0321. This is 0320. Here we have 0318, which is lesser than, but remember the coin pair is different from this. So this is Flocky/USDT, this is Flocky/USDC, both on KuCoin. Now let me take us down to where I can get, okay, this is Quidax rather. If we check the price here, you see that Flocky is trading at 0332 on Quidax, and the confidence for this exchange is moderate. We all know Quidax in Nigeria. We use Quidax a lot. And the liquidity score is 20, which means it is not so much, but well, we can still risk it if you want to really do the arbitrage. Because right now, you can easily buy from KuCoin at 0.00032, and when you get to Quidax, you can sell that. I think I've passed it. Okay, you can sell that at 0.0033. Okay, I think I have this loaded here. Let me show us. Where is this coin? Trade. Well, I don't actually use Quidax. I just loaded it here to show us how to use it for arbitrage, especially those of us in Nigeria. The currency I would like to buy is Flocky. Let's look for it. So this is Flocky, and if I want to, say I want to sell, nope. Okay, let's say I want to sell 1 million of this. Sorry. Oh, they are not going to allow me to do this. Okay, let's look for another exchange so that I can. But basically, you can see that this price here is trading higher than all of this. Also, on Baby Doge Swap, it is selling at 0.0003183. The trust is high, but liquidity is low. So what you want to do is check out for different prices here and where you can easily access the token and buy them. Now, mind you, on this what's it called, Keba swap, you can buy with BUSD at 0.42, which is really, really high. The trust is high, and this is the liquidity score. It was updated 127 hours ago. So if you want to sell here, you're going to be selling higher than what you get from Hotbit and the rest. So that is one way to make money in cryptocurrency. Remember, I am still talking about how you can make money in cryptocurrency. That is one way. Now, secondly, apart from the arbitrage trading, which I just showed us, you can make money in cryptocurrency by doing investments or staking, liquidity pool, liquidity earnings, and that would take us to Binance. All right. If you might not necessarily need to be doing the buying and selling, but you can invest your money, and Binance will pay you. You don't have to trade. You just put money, instead of keeping that your money in the bank, you can bring it here, and Binance would help you, trade with your money. I think, okay, so when you go to Binance, you would want to check your homepage. For those of us using mobile phones, homepage, you go to more and scroll down till you get to finance. Under finance, you would see Simple Earn. So I'm just going to click on Simple Earn. Here you would see different ways to earn in Binance without having to do much. What you would have to do is stake your assets, or provide liquidity for a particular asset, particular cryptocurrency pair, and then we are good. Now, under the Simple Earn, you will see the available cryptocurrencies that you can make money from. The number one here is Kava, and Kava is willing to give you 24.9% of your investment after 120 days. Okay, let's say you have $100 and you stake it here, you put it here for this period of time. You're going to receive this percentage of $100, which would be 24, after you are done with your staking. And the next one, the ELF is willing to give you 25%, but it is flexible. Being flexible means you can take out your funds anytime. If you don't want to, if you don't want to keep your assets here, or you are in need of funds, you can quickly come here and unsubscribe. You can just take out the fund. But here, the number one here, you would have to pick, which duration. For 90 days, you would get 16%, 16.9. 60 days, you would get 14.9. For 30 days, you would get 12.98. So it depends on how much you want to put here. If you put $10,000 here, trust me, 12% is a lot, and you know what that means. So under the flexible, you can remove your funds at any time. And how you get interest here is 24 hours. Every 24 hours, you're going to receive this. Okay. Now, this is flexible, and they are giving you 25%, for days. There is no time limits here. This is ADA, and ADA is giving 4% for this period. For 30%, for 30 days, they are giving you 2.6%. This is Matrix. So what you want to do is go through these available assets and subscribe to them. When you click on subscribe, you're going to have to put the assets, the amount you want to, stake here. Let's say I have this asset in my wallet. I already bought ADA, and I want to subscribe to this investment. It's an investment. If you trust Binance enough, you should trust this system, because the integrity Binance have will not make them want to, put up fake opportunities or scam projects on their platforms. So this place is where you put the amounts you want to stake. say I have 1,000 of this, I can just put it, okay, there's not enough, I know. And as soon as you click on the subscribe, the confirmation, which is down here, because by then it will be active as soon as you put a balance here. You click on I have read the agreement, which I know you will not read the agreement. You just tick it and click on confirm, and your investments will become active. That is one simple way to make money in cryptocurrency without having to do much work on your side. Okay. Another way you can make money is by providing liquidity, and um, there is this. What I just showed us is the staking, which means if you put your asset for 30 days, it is going to be locked. Like they'll hold on to it. They are using it to trade for you. So if money is not made for that period, you're not taking it out. So here, this is the liquidity farming. Let me show us how I got here so that you don't get confused. When under the simple earning, I already told us how to get to the simple earning, how to get to this place. The ends, you would see liquidity farming. This is liquidity farming. And providing liquidity for an asset simply means you are giving them your money to support their project. Let's say somebody has a project and is saying, please, I need funds so that I can buy this one, I can buy this one, I need machine and the rest of them. So you are saying, I want to be part of this project, take my money. As you make profits, you give me a percentage. So that is what it means to be a liquidity provider, for a particular project. So the liquidity provision has to do with coin pairs, like the trading of AGIX/USDT. For as many persons that are going to be trading this coin, the gas fee or the charges for their trades will be splitted for the liquidity providers. Let's say we have 1 million people trading these assets, and for each buy they do or each sell they do, there is a fee attached to it. So this fee, is going to be put together and apportioned to as many that are liquidity providers for this coin pair. It's as simple as that. And the total yield for this coin pair in 24 hours goes as high as 58.94%. So this is what you're going to be. There is no fixed amount for you. Every 24 hours, you're going to be receiving something, something drops for you as a liquidity provider. And that is a very simple way to make profits. I think this is the highest. Okay, there is 161 here. This coin is actually called liquidity token. This one, I think it was launched last week on Binance, and they are offering, this high as a total yield per 24 hours. So if you go into this right now and you provide liquidity for this coin pair, you are going to be receiving, your yield every 24 hours. And how do you provide liquidity? All you need to do is buy the assets, just the way we did for the staking. Let's say you click on this and it drops down. See, you can add to the ongoing liquidity pool. When you add, you will see you will receive you will see the page where you'll be asked to put the amounts. The list you can provide here is 11 of these assets, 11 pieces, yes, of this liquidity token. And if you already have that, you can just put it here and agree to the terms, and you add liquidity. By the time you want to remove your money, you can come back to this place and go to remove liquidity. Okay, by that time this will be active and you remove your funds. So it is as simple as that. One advantage you would have for adding liquidity or providing liquidity for any asset is that when the price of that asset goes up while you are still a liquidity provider, you will be getting you will be receiving your yield. At the same time, you're going to be selling higher, right? For those of us that would want to buy a particular cryptocurrency and hold it for a period of time, the best thing I would advise is, instead of leaving it in your wallet, there is a way you can multiply it. You can stake it, or you can use it as liquidity, for that coin pair, so that you generate more funds. It's one way to make money. You don't necessarily need to be a day-to-day trader, like I said earlier. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to share with us one way you can also make money in cryptocurrency. And before I do this, I would want us to check down. If you have not subscribed to my channel, it is very important to me, so you do that. If you don't subscribe to my channel, I don't see you as my friend. Only those who are subscribed to my channel, my friends, because we are going to be talking heart to heart as time goes on. All right, so you run through that very quickly to support me. Okay, now if you understand how to do the stakings and the liquidity provision that I just explained, can you do well to drop a comment? Just say I understand. If you don't understand, I might quickly run over it, because we've spent almost an hour, though we didn't start early. So let me see your comments. You can just let me know if you understand. Just say I understand. If you don't, you might, tell me what you want me to talk about quickly. So far, I have talked about when, where, and how you can buy cryptocurrency. I've talked about how to make money in cryptocurrency by arbitrage trading, by staking, and by being a liquidity provider. So, okay, I think somebody already asked a question here. Let me read from my device. You said the percentage will be given to you every 24 hours. Does that mean you got 24% daily for 60 or 90 days? No, it doesn't. Okay, Timothy, I understand. Thank you. It doesn't. Let me show you what I explained. For the flexible investment, let's go back there. I think it's for okay, simple end. Let's give it time to load so I can take that question. So if you have any question relating to all we've discussed tonight, you can drop them. I will take them and share one more thing with us before I call it a day. Tomorrow, I am going to be teaching us about the other ways to make money in cryptocurrency. There are several ways, and we just started. We're just getting started. Chill. There are other ways. It's not just about the head knowledge. I want you to understand simple principles and opportunities in cryptocurrency. I will also teach us how to predict the markets in simple terms. I'm not going to be boring us with plenty structure and analysis. And no. There are simple things you can do even as a beginner or even as an advanced trader. I am sure you would need to learn these things so that you don't stress yourself. Life is quite easy. So you are not going to be getting paid every 24 hours if you select any of these, or if the asset does not involve flexibility, if it is not on flexible. I think all of them here has flexible. If you are on 30 days, you're going to receive 2.6%. If you are on 60 days, you're going to receive 3%. So after 60 days, you receive 3% of your assets. Now, the flexible here, okay, flexible tells you that they are going to give you 1.6% plus 2% bonus. Okay, so you can leave it for as long as you want. Even if you want to leave it for 90 days, this is what you're going to be receiving. And here you can see this is the proposed amount that you would get. The snapshot is always after 24 hours. And one thing about this flexible return is most times it changes. It is not fixed. It is solely dependent on how much people trade these assets. Just like we saw in the liquidity pool or liquidity farming, it is based on how much people transact with this coin pair. If a lot of persons trade this cryptocurrency that day, then the yield is going to increase. That is how you're going to earn more. So you can earn more than this, you can earn below when it is shared, It all depends on how many persons are providing liquidity and how much is your own part of the liquidity. Another good thing about being a liquidity provider is that developers use this method to distribute, new assets. They use liquidity provision to do awareness for other cryptocurrency. Let's say I launch my cryptocurrency and I name it Natcoin. I want to let the whole world know that I have Natcoin right now. The simplest way, or one of the best way to do that, is I will go in partnership with any of the already existing cryptocurrency like this AGIX, and the agreement will be that whoever is a liquidity provider to this coin or to this coin pair is going to receive this amount of my assets as free gifts. Okay, so I am going to be encouraging people to buy these assets. At the same time, I am making publicity for my own assets. Okay, and that way, liquidity providers will now get free Natcoin to sell and make money. That is what the farming actually means. You farm new cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you provide liquidity for an asset, you can still be a benefactor for another one who which would eventually be profiting. Okay, so this is I think it explains your question. Is that okay with you? If you understand, I would like you to say something. And do we have any other question here? Oh, sorry, I see some persons are already having issues with network. Simeon. Okay. All right. So the last thing I would want to share with us tonight about how to make money in cryptocurrency is quite simple. Quite simple, but I'm sure you never would guess it. Okay, let's go back here. Go back here and now the concept of trading is you buying cryptocurrency when the price is low and selling when the price is high so you can make money. Yes, that's the concept of trading. But we have futures trading where you can do the opposites. You can sell when price is up, and then when it comes down, you buy. Yes, that's what you do in crypto trading, in futures trading. It helps you, or it enables you sell. You have an asset, but you can still sell it at that point, and when it comes down, you buy it back. You've made profits. That's just how it is. And when you buy, it goes up, you sell. So either ways, you want to take advantage of this price movement, this fluctuation. And how do you do this when you don't know exactly when to enter or which one to buy at a particular point? Now, one of the tactics or one of the principles that I have used thus far to leverage, on trading is to get these cryptocurrencies that are either too high or too low, too high or too low. And let me show us practically. I think this will take us back to the gainers and losers where we left earlier. Let me give you my setup. This is actually my setup for picking a coin that I want to trade with. Depends on when I want to trade it or where I want to trade that crypto assets. When you get to CoinMarketCap, again, this is CoinMarketCap. Yeah. And this is top gainers and top losers. Like I explained, these people have been doing well in 24 hours, and these people are doing badly in 24 hours. You want to change the time frame to 7 days. Yes. And this is top 100. Now, if I just want to buy these assets, I don't want to trade futures, so I just want to buy it because I don't know how to trade futures. Let's say I don't know how to trade futures, like some of us here, and I just want to buy this and make money. These are the losers for 7 days, you know, this cover has fell 14%, and you can see the percentage here. Check for yourself. The volume in 24 hours means how much are people trading, how much of people are on this particular trade. This is 63 million, yeah, as the volume for 24 hours. And here we have 20 million as the volume for 24 hours. This is 20 million. Now, what I always check out for is I don't pick any assets that is less than 40 million. This is to be sure that we have people patronizing this project. We have a lot of people buying and selling, transacting with this particular cryptocurrency. So you would not want to get entangled with new projects, you know, that will not do well. So the first thing you would want to check out for is the volume in 24 hours. Like this is 63, and it is nice for me to go ahead with. This is 20 million. I am not convinced. This is 1 million. I am equally not convinced with the volume. And this is 6 billion. Well, it is a stable coin. So this is also a stable. But because I am okay with this volume, I will just click on cover so I can see what is happening inside. I showed us a bit of this, but I didn't tell us this part. So let me tell us now. Under the overview, okay. Well, this chart tells differently. They said it has been down, it has done the, okay, this is the up, pardon me, sorry, this is the up, this is the top gainer, yeah. So for 7 days, this has done so well, and it is going to be for futures trader. Let's go back, sorry. Let's go back to the losers. It's supposed to be for the losers, not the gainers, because for the losers, you would want to do shorts. And okay, so this one here, STX, has, okay, this is 29% down in 7 days, and we have this volume, which is 218 million. Nice. Let me quickly show us. When you open it and go to the charts, don't be carried away. This is 1 day. Let's go to the 7 days. Now this is it. If you buy these assets right now, even though it is not a perfect entry, for 7 days, you would be expecting 0.65. So this is going to be a sweet investment in a very short time. So what you want to do is, when you want to buy, always check out for the crypto pairs or the assets that has done, you know, so bad for a period of time, either 24 hours or 7 days. But I prefer using 7 days, because if you use a short time frame, the amounts you get might just be small, because in 24 hours you might see something else. This is 24 hours, so you see that it's already moving, you know, and it might still fall and do some fluctuations. But in 7 days, you're getting a clearer picture of what to expect in the market. You've seen that, okay, if I buy this thing at this point, or at this point, even at this point, I'm expecting it to go here, you know. So having said this, you also want to check where to buy this coin. Where can I get this STX? Is it available on Binance? Yes, it is available on Binance. This means you can, you know, go to Binance. Where is Binance? Okay, this is Binance. You can go to Binance, go to trade, and search for your STX. Yeah, STX USDT. So you see, this is what we have in 4 hours time frame, and it tells you how best the time is to buy this cryptocurrency. And it is one way to make money here without stress. It is also important that you analyze the general market structure or what is happening in the markets per time. But if at all you want to buy any assets, make sure you check for the one that the price is low. Many a times we just jump into buying because people are excited and telling us buy this, buy that, buy that. No, you don't do that. You would have to do your own research, right? And that is what I just taught you, how you can get the best asset to buy or know when or what to buy per time. Okay, so if you see this, you will know, yes, if I want to start teaching us how to get the trends, which I believe before the end of this class, you will know how to do that. You see that it has already dropped on a very strong support level. So possibly would bounce back. So that is how to, check out for what to buy. And you can do that for as many crypto pairs as you want to. So that, why is this not moving? Okay, overview. If you are a future trader and you want to go on a short, you also want to check here for the ones that have done so high this period, and it will help you. So for 24 hours, for 7 days, you can just check them. If you want to trade altcoins, I'm still going to show us how to do that one, probably tomorrow, and we'll finish up next tomorrow. Okay, so do we have any question at this point? If we don't, I would like to call it a day. I think we've shared a lot today. I am also going to drop this video here, so at any point, if you want to check out or remember any of the things I have said so far, you can always come here to rewatch this video. So this will be all for tonight. I believe tomorrow we are going to talk better on this topic, how to make money in cryptocurrency. There are a lot of things for us to talk about. Remember, I said I am still going to share with us how to make your own cryptocurrency, with small funds, not more than $10, and you have a cryptocurrency. I'm going to share that with us. Just make sure you are available as at the time I will be live. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is very important to me, as it will encourage me to making videos that will profit you like this. Okay. I believe we have no questions. And if that is so, thank you very much for joining. I will see you tomorrow. Okay.